Namaste. So this is a quick tutorial explaining how to practice Kapalabhati. So Kapalabhati is often translated to skull shining breath, and Kapalabhati is a steady repetition of powerful exhale and passive inhale. So you've been focusing on exhalation and just let your inhalation to come automatically. So Kapalabhati is balancing for all doshas, vata, pitta and kapha, but it's best for kapha types because kapha types needs more energizing and stimulation, and kapha types need to practice faster paced Kapalabhati. And if you're vata or pitta, you want to be practicing slower paced Kapalabhati because you don't want to be stimulating this busy vata mind or this fiery pitta mind. So if you're vata or pitta, you want to be practicing slower paced Kapalabhati together with more calming and relaxing pranayama. So I'm vata pitta, so I personally practice lower paced Kapalabhati in the morning in my yoga practice together with Anuloma Viloma, which is really grounding and calming for vata. So when you're ready, sitting in a comfortable seated posture, you can either sit on the floor or you can sit on a chair. If you're sitting on a chair, just make sure that both feet are grounded to the earth. And if you're sitting on the floor, make sure you are sitting on the cushion or folded blanket so that your hips are slightly higher than your knees. And when you're ready, touching your index and your thumb, so your tips of your thumb and tips of your index fingers touching together, and resting back of your hands onto your knees if you're sitting on the floor, or onto your thighs if you're sitting on a chair. If you're sitting on the floor, see if you can extend your arms as well, and resting back of your hands onto your knees. So we want to bring awareness to your lower belly. So actually, if you're a beginner, you might want to actually have your hands onto your knees. So place your hands onto your belly, lifting through the spine, roll your shoulders back. So we're going to take a couple of deep breaths first. So take a deep breath in and exhaling all out. And again, take a deep breath in and exhaling all out. And we're going to take another big inhale, but then next time when you exhale, you want to press your belly in and up as you're exhaling. So this is powerful exhalation. So you can watch me first, and then you can we can do this together. So I'm going to take a big inhale. Okay, so let's practice Kapalabhati together. I'm going to bring my hands onto my knees and touching my thumb and index fingers together, but you're welcome to keep your hands onto your belly. So closing your eyes, lifting through the spine, roll your shoulders back. Bring your awareness to your lower belly. Taking a couple of deep breaths in your own time. And inhaling through both nostrils. And let's begin. And exhaling all out. And hold the breath out. Keep lifting through the chest. And inhaling through both nostrils. And exhaling all out. And again, taking a big inhale. And exhaling all out. And slowly returning to natural inhale and exhale. And in your next inhale, gently open your eyes. So let me know how you get on. Let me know how you felt after practicing Kapalabhati. You can comment in the comment section below this video. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste. Have a lovely day.